Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your PlayStation 4 game saves onto a USB. So just go ahead and plug in your USB device, and sometimes it is hard on the front one, but if you have like an extender or something like that, that might work. Let's go to settings and then go on down to application save data management right here. So let's focus this, and then go on down to where it says save data in system storage. And then we have the option to copy to USB storage device. So you can pick your games under here. So I got Grand Theft Auto, maybe I want that. So I'm just going to go to select all and copy all this over to my USB device. So I bring this over to my friend's house or something like that, and I can play on my account over there with my game saves if I bring it along, if I don't have PlayStation Plus or something like that. Or you can upload it to the cloud storage, and you can just download it from the cloud storage right here. If you do have PlayStation Plus, you can see download to system storage. So this will completely negate the fact that you need a USB device if you are paying for PlayStation Plus. Now another thing that you can do is go all the way down here, and we can go to backup and restore. And we can back up our PS4 to this USB device. And this will allow me to put my games on there. So you get all these games. So if something happens to your PS4, you can just easily retrieve that, and you don't have to download them from the internet again. And just go back to this section in the future and go to restore, and you should be able to get those backups. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.